We are joined here today by Andy Heinel and Keith Franks from Repacorp, Inc. Andy is the Vice President of Digital Packaging Division, and Keith Franks is the Digital Production Manager. Andy, please tell us a little bit about your company.
Repacorp, we've been in business since 1974. We started as a reseller. In 93, we bought our first press. Since then, we've made multiple acquisitions. We have 4 locations across the United States now. We have around 250 employees. We specialize in stock labels, flexo labels, barcoding, shrink sleeves, flexible packaging, and digital short to medium run, and now long run digital labels.
You have several other lasers. You've adapted that technology since 2007. Can you tell us a little bit more about that and why you're choosing a SEI Labelmaster?
When we wanted to dive into digital labels, we didn't want to just offer a no plate solution because we didn't really have a lot of good equipment for offline die cutting. We were approached by a company that said we could cut with laser technology at the time, roll to roll. We didn't feel that was very widely used. So immediately it gave us the ability to compete, no plates, no dies. At the time, the clients were like, what do you mean no plates, no dies? Now it's more commonplace. That's why we adapted the laser technology to put us in a spot that our competitors were not.
Keith, how long have you been with the company?
11 years.
So you watched this whole transition to laser.
We did traditional die cutting for quite a bit of time before this. The laser die cutting came into line when we started doing the more high-end 4-color printing that for short runs that nobody would even begin to address with dies, just too costly. Then the laser functional for just pretty much everybody now. I believe for me and for the company, it was a real eye-opening experience.
We did transition most of our prime labeling into laser immediately when we got digital. So we've never really looked at hard tooling for a solution.
You have a lot of laser system experience, and you most recently purchased a SEI Labelmaster. Can you tell me why you chose the Labelmaster?
When you're purchasing a piece of machinery that could be anywhere from $400,000 to $1 million, you want to know that piece of machinery is going to be serviceable for a long time. We have had SEI laser equipment in some of our inline digital laser cutting equipment in the past. We still do. And it's always been, from our experience with SEI, robust. They've been reliable. And when we needed to service those machines, the service from Matic was also robust and reliable. We get the good equipment plus the good service. Matic's team was amazingly responsive. The whole gamut of the Matic machine, in my opinion, made us feel very comfortable with your equipment going forward.
The interface was really good. It worked well. From a technical standpoint, it receives PDFs, which was in the art world is a little bit nicer than having to convert to a proprietary type format. Little things like that really swayed us. Reliability that we had seen over the years, it was a good choice. So far, we've really enjoyed it. It's been great.
Are there any specific features on your Labelmaster that are unique to the system, and why are they important to you?
Your spot varnish system is very user-friendly.
Yeah.
It's very easy to operate. The machine does a lot of the work for the operator. We're actively using it 8 hours a day now on 2 shifts. So running roughly 16 hours a day, 5 days a week, no issues. I was just out talking to the operator yesterday afternoon. Honestly, her comments regarding your machine was, we are going to run all of our varnish jobs on the Matic going forward because the varnish station is much more user-friendly than our other equipment. So that's a really unique feature that I feel like is going to help us sell more labels.
Your system was installed when specifically?
It was installed in September. They came in on a Tuesday afternoon, evaluated the site and the layout of the machine parts, had it all ready to go. They were installing it on Wednesday, and by Thursday we were training. So it went quick.
We've installed a lot of equipment and I don't remember an install going as smoothly.
It was by far the best install we had.